Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present a demonstration on the TweetInfo platform. So for using the TweetInfo platform, first we need to visit the web page of the TweetInfo platform where we provide all the basic information about the TweetInfo, why we created, what was the goal of that, instruction to use it, and the data set. So if we go down on this page we can go to this GitHub link where we provide all the uh, description about the TweetInfo and that how we can use it, which also the describing each of the radio button and whatever the default value for this that button. And after getting this instruction, we can go to the Tweet info platform using this link. So if we click on this link, we will go to another URL. So where the Tweet info platform was hosted using the Herokup app, and now we are on the Twitter platform. So where we try to give the feeling of Twitter because the data set used in this study are collected from the Twitter platform only. And but here we also provide the additional feature to make it more interactive. So here we have very much similar thing like retweet, like, and time, user profile, all the data which we have in the Twitter. But apart from that, we have this dislike button where we have where if some user wants, then they can click on this test. Don't want like this post, then they can click on dislike button. And then we have this meta information. So basically it provide all the meta information about this tools that is generated from the content analysis of the tweet. But we have also in the right side this additional option which we call like filter option based on that also gives the interactive feeling. So the user can click on this option to filter the content on their timeline. So currently the dataset used this on this platform as for hate speech and misinformation that are derived from two different research paper, and they have not annotated like hate speech and misinformation together, so these two classes are mutually exclusive here. And the goal of the TweetInfo platform to measure the impact of this user interactive platform in mitigating the consumption, reducing the consumption of online harm on the social media platform, something like Twitter. So here now we will give a demonstration. Before that, we are also creating a database for mouse click activity of the each user. So whatever the user is clicking on that, we are recording it in a database. And while doing the user study, we given the access control platform where they have their own user ID and password, so that we can know which user are how they are interacting and all this platform things based on their demographic information. We can also do different kind of analysis on that. So here on this retweet icon, if we click currently this 311, if we click on this icon, it will give that okay, this tweet is retweeted with number is increased, that is tends to 312. Similarly with the like, it will increase, and dislike also. And if we want to see this meta information, then we can go through this meta information. And just to now this coming to this filter option, if we want to say that okay, we want to see this misinformation, then we can, and also in English, then we can click on the search button, and then we will get some information about, I mean, like all the timeline which is having the misinformation and English. So, for example, if going to this tweet, they say like Wuhan market, China, the origin of coronavirus. So they are claiming something about the origin of coronavirus that might be true or not true. So being a user, end user, we are not sure about this content 100%. So to get this background information, we can click on this meta information, and that is already describe how the content is like okay, the language, the country, mainly the country where the user uh, added there in the profile, the user is from India, and the hate speech is no because as we mentioned this is mutually exclusive class, and sentiment is neutral. So this meta information says yeah, this is misinformation and created by a male, that we also do the gender analysis, and neither is a verified account nor bot account. And but to provide the background information that leads to fact check articles by providing the source. So if someone wants to know more about that, okay, why this is false and all this thing, that they can click on the source, and then they will move to the another mm, article, which is a fact check article, and they are proving like, okay, this is not like some claim is made on the viral of the meat market on Wuhan, but this is the fact, and which all the information about this tweet. Similarly, if we click on another tweet, like from Ministry of Health, that Minister of Health would like to give a caution the general public against the audio being shared on the WhatsApp group. So they want to give some ultimatum on that. So if again we click on this, we have all this information like this tweet was creating from Kenya. Sentiment is again positive, and this is from verified account, mainly the government account from Kenya. And again, we can see this fact check article based on this. Kenya has recorded now cases, and there they have this like they discuss about this clip editing novel coronavirus in Kenya and all this information. So basically, we are informing user about their content, what they are seeing, and all these things. Similarly, we can also, if we want to start from again, we can use this reset button. And again, if we want to click the tweet from bot and if something is misinformation, and then English, then again we can create, and it will take some time to loading the tweet, and then again we can get so many tweets about this on all these things. And again we can reset it, and we wanted to see the hate speech, uh, yes, and also in English, then we can click in that, uh, and getting some hate speech, and here we can click on that, okay, something is hate speech or not. And here this is all about this tweet info, and there are so many options which can be added here, but thank you for paying the attention. We will keep informing and improving this tweet platform for the analysis. Thank you very much.